Susan Mason. If there's a fluffy duffy party going on, Susan is in charge of the food. So why don't we get our party started, Susan? I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna start our salad, which is gonna be perfect alongside of our quiche and our tomato pie. Beautiful. So if you would be tearing up the Boston leaf lettuce, it's like butter in your mouth. I love the way it tastes. So if you will tear that up, Susan, okay. I'm gonna peel this navel orange, y'all, and I'm gonna section it, and this is going into our salad.
How's this looking? The lettuce.
Looks yummy. All right, so I'm just gonna section this orange, and I do that by going
in and out. There you go.
On either side.
Do you want me to be doing these strawberries?
Yes, if you would quarter those strawberries, Susan.
Okay.
I think we got about a pint of strawberries.
Okay.
And then what I want you to do is take those dates over here and slice those real thin. And we need about a half a cup of those. And those dates are gonna just sweeten up this wonderful salad. All right, so Susan, we're gonna need about a half a cup of dates. And when we come back, we are gonna make a wonderful buttermilk dressing to go on our salad.
Oh, I can't wait.
Me neither. So I'm ready to get this salad dressing made. You know, today's show is all about entertaining. And I'm in here with the girl, honey. She is the creme de la creme of fancy smancy entertaining parties. All right, now I'm gonna be cutting up some shallots for our buttermilk salad dressing. I need about 2 teaspoons, and that looks about like on the money. So in my bowl that goes. I'm gonna add 6 tablespoons of buttermilk. Susan, if you'd come down here and start stirring this up, I've got shallots, our buttermilk for our salad dressing. If you'd add salt and pepper to this.
Salt and pepper, this is the buttermilk.
And I'm gonna add about a half a teaspoon of tarragon. Now we just need 1/4 of a cup of olive oil.
Okay, so I'm gonna emulsify.
Yes, emulsify, sister.
So I'm just gonna, exactly, I think that should be it.
And I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice.
Okay.
That looks perfect. I'm gonna just pour and toss.
Okay.
So, there we go. How beautiful is that?
Oh, that is beautiful.
All right.
You want me to serve it?
Please.
There we go. There we go.
All right, so let me know how you like this.
I like that. That is a good combination.
A little sweet bite to it.
Very good. That's a good combination.
Delicious.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.